Hey guys, what's up? It's Richard Farrell, and today we got the topic, rising diesel prices will affect every American in the US, and electric power is not the solution. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. This is an issue. It's going to be an issue. I'm going to show you the rising prices of diesel will ultimately affect you, what you buy, and how you're able to grab it off the shelf and bring it to the register to check out and bring home. Also, show some comparisons to electric power versus diesel power. Alright, let's get into it. Diesel is used in all transportation, from freight trucks that carry goods all across our roadways, also including power generation, construction, boats, agriculture, and much more. For example, public works are jobs such as snow removal, trash removal, road clearing, road repair. Electric companies and internet service companies all rely on diesel equipment to do their jobs efficiently and in a timely manner. So, you don't destroy your car on the way to work, and you can even get to work on time if you're running behind schedule a little bit. In 2019, Chris LeSueur of the reputable LeSueur Auto Group tells us that diesel fuel is one of the most efficient and energy-dense fuels available today. No other energy source has the qualities and efficiency that diesel has. It even surpasses the electric energy mileage range to this day. And also, in 2022, the government explained that the use of diesel by saying diesel engines in trucks, trains, boats, and barges help transport nearly all products consumed. Diesel fuel is commonly used in public buses and school buses. Means when diesel rises, the prices of these services and goods will rise in price also, or in tax form. Now we're going to get into the next part, which is, some might say, the new future of transportation and shipping will be all electric and diesel will become obsolete. Unfortunately, even in a perfect world, the energy from electricity is not comparable to diesel in terms of efficiency and repair costs. Lithium mines are also not good for the environment because it leaves with soil degradation, water shortages, biodiversity loss, damage to ecosystem functions, and harm to the ozone layer. In other words, we need diesel, and if it keeps rising the way it is, then we are in for some new budget changes in our lives. Thank you for attending my TED Talk, and have a good evening.